Loved Kachin in Malaysia.
Right.
Oh, I've never seen that in my life.
What is it like there?
Well, it was coming into a different world. It was like you were transported back in the 15th century. And it was a big cat, huge cat, about 5 meters tall. It was called a city of cat. But beyond the city of cats, the city was full of 18th century, 17th century little houses. What struck me the most is the people. There were people of the world. There were people born from the Portuguese, the French, the Chinese, the Malaysians, Indians, English, the Dutch, who had invaded, who had been colonizing this part of the world. I've never seen a facial, totally different facials. It was unbelievable. I've never seen a mix. This is a wonderful melting pot of different religions as well, which were actually living very happily together.
Yeah.
And it was a true discovery for me.